You need to put in a vanishing point on each side. So these are dots. They're dots that are big enough for you to see, but not so big that it throws off your accuracy. Now for these, we're going to be drawing two sides of your treehouse, the tree that it's in and also any surrounding area. But right now we're going to work on drawing the treehouse itself. So what I need you to do first is you're going to draw a line that is vertical and parallel to the side of the paper in between these two vanishing points. So I've got my line. That is the corner of the side of the treehouse that we're going to draw. So now connecting the bottom of this line to the vanishing point. So I've got the vanishing point on my straight edge and the bottom of this line. I'm going to draw across. You're going to draw lightly so that you can erase. I'm pressing harder so that it shows up on camera. Now I'm connecting the top of this line again back to the vanishing point. Now this side, we're going to go to this vanishing point over here. Make sure that you're always lining up the point and the vanishing point that you're going to draw to. So it's not random. You're not doing something like this because your vanishing point is down here. So now what we've got is two sides of your treehouse. Now you're going to decide how deep these sides are. So do you want to show equal amounts of both sides? Do you want to show more than one, more on one than you want to show on the other? How do you want to do that? So to draw that, I'm going to put my straight edge on this line, slide it back. I'm deciding how deep do I want to have this be. I'm going to draw it this deep. So this line is parallel to this line. Remember that is, parallel is like railroad tracks. So I'm going to put my straight edge on this line and slide it this way. And I'm going to decide this one we see a little bit more of that side. Okay. At this point, now you can take an eraser and erase the lines that are extra on the drawing paper. Okay, so once you have it to this point, you're going to draw your roof on it. And so for a peaked roof, I'm going to, it's a peaked roof like this, I'm going to have it peak over here, and then here we'd see the other side. So first thing you need to do is very lightly draw an X here. I'm drawing it a little darker so you can see it on camera. And then right where these two lines cross, you're going to put your straight edge on the first line you drew, slide it over, keeping it parallel. You're going to draw a line through that point where it crosses up. So now you're going to go from this point and connect it to here. And this point and connect it to here. Now, keeping your straight edge on this line, you're going to slide it so you can get a parallel line for that. So I'm sliding it back, keeping it parallel until I find this point here. Draw a line up. And now you're going to take this point to this vanishing point. So it's the opposite one of the side that it's on. Okay? So again, this point here, even though it's on this side, we're taking it this direction. So I'm lining up this point and my vanishing point. Draw a line back, and then I can erase this extra bit. And also erase these lines in here. So make sure you draw these lightly.